How to download TradingView on your Windows or laptop. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go on to quick and easy and how you can download TradingView on Windows or laptop. Well, first things first, you can head into your browser on your Windows or PC and head into tradingview.com. Then you will be on this page. So here, if you scroll down further below, you'll get these various lists and options, right? Now to download it, what you can do is here, you want to click on Get Started or you want to head into Products here directly. Then you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling down and you'll find the here option on any device for either desktop app or mobile apps. Since you want to download it on your desktop, click on Desktop Apps. And then here you'll get the link to download for Windows, for Mac OS or for Linux. Click on for Windows and here your downloads will start right away. At the right hand side, you can check your download on the Downloads tab. Then once it's been downloaded, you want to double click on it or you can right click on it and proceed for installation. So you can double click on it and the installation pop-up should pop up and you can go through the prompts to install. So this is how you can easily install TradingView on your Windows or PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.